Statistics. In this example, we're going to calculate the mean, mode, median and range of a set of data. These numbers are the test scores out of 10 for a class of students. You'll notice that the data is not in order, so the first thing we have to do is to order the data. What do we have? What's our smallest value? It's 4. Got another 4 here. 5. 5. 6. 6. 6. 6. 4 sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sevens. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 eights, 1 9, 2 nines, and a 10. Now, you need to order the data if you're to calculate the median correctly. You don't need to order the data if you want to calculate the mean, the mode and the range. Anyway, ordered data. So first thing, the mode is the easiest thing to calculate. The mode is the number which occurs oftenest, and I hope you can see we have 5 sevens. We've got 4 sixes, 4 eights, but we have 5 sevens, so the mode is 7. Next thing to calculate is the range. The range is the largest value in our data, which is 10, minus the smallest value, which is 4. But we can't leave it like that, we have to finish off the calculation, so the range is 6. Next thing to do is to calculate the mean. So we have to add up all the values, so 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10. And we're going to divide by the total number of data. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That makes our calculation a bit easier. So the total is 137 divided by 20. The answer is 6.85. And if we were to round that to 1 decimal place, say, that would be 6.9. The last thing that we have to do is to calculate the median. Now the median is the middle number. We have 20 pieces of data, so the median will be found between the 10th and the 11th pieces of data. Half of 20 is 10, and we take the average of the 10th and the 11th pieces of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The median is found between these two sevens. So if we take the average of those two sevens, 7 plus 7 equals 14. Divided by 2 is 7. I hope that makes sense. If we want to check that we have the middle value, what we can do is count the number of data above our middle value. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this value here is definitely the median.